Hello, everybody. This is another episode of my Wodcast. Just wanted to say that the word that we're on this week is restraint. And so I was thinking as I put on my jacket, I've had this jacket for a while now. And sometimes I've been asked, why don't you buy a new jacket? So I'm going to talk about restraint in shopping. Now that the malls and everything else is open, you could be tempted to go and buy a new jacket, buy some boots, buy clothes that you probably don't even need because you've got so much lying in your closet already. So let's show some restraint, because did you know that if you have sustainable goals, the clothing industry and buying new clothes, if you don't need it, can contribute a lot towards against that. So for example, there's a lot of water needed to make clothes, as well as carbon dioxide emissions to transport them. So think about restraint in shopping today. Use what you have, reuse, repair, like I do this jacket, and let's demonstrate restraint in shopping. Have a happy weekend.